If you're watching this video, you've probably learned about our duct cleaning services we offer here at Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into our process from start to finish. Hi, I'm Isaac, and I am one of the indoor air quality technicians at Fire and Ice. A clean furnace and ductwork is a great way to ensure the air you breathe inside your home is healthy. It also helps improve the performance of your HVAC system. A typical duct cleaning takes between 2 and 4 hours. In this video, we'll go over the tools used and the entire process from start to finish. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. What tools are used during a duct cleaning? The goal with every duct cleaning is to remove as much debris as possible from the ductwork. There are 2 vacuum types, portable and truck mounted. Portable systems are carried by technicians from room to room. A hose is then inserted in each room's vents to clean the ductwork. The largest portable vacuum has a suction power of about 5,000 cubic feet per minute. On the end of the hose is a nylon brush that spins, which scrapes away any dust and debris that's inside the duct. The vacuum then sucks any debris. The downside of this approach is the hose is about 4 inches thick and cannot get into every nook and cranny of the ductwork. The spinning brush can be aggressive too, and can damage flexible ductwork or dampers. The other option are the truck-mounted systems, which we use here at Fire and Ice. They are powerful vacuums of 12,000 cubic feet per minute. They work by sucking the debris from the entire network of the ductwork using a large 8-inch hose attached to your ductwork. The primary benefit of a truck-mounted system is it can clean the entire ductwork system and get into spaces that can't be reached by a portable system. An air compressor is used to clean the ductwork by pushing all the dirt and debris towards the vacuum with about 250 psi of pressure. Various attachments are used, such as forward and reverse pushing heads to direct the airflow. For stubborn material, an octopus web can be used. It has 8 rubber fingers that whip around the ductwork. Air rods can be connected together to reach the furthest nook and cranny of your ductwork. In addition, there are disinfectants that can be used during a duct cleaning. We offer both chemical and botanical-based disinfectants that are effective at neutralizing odors and killing any mold growth inside your ducts. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like the video and leave a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. What is done during a duct cleaning? Here in Central Ohio, there are dozens of companies that offer duct cleaning services, but only a very few know HVAC. Our process doesn't just stop at the vents, but goes further and addresses the entire system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in doing things right or not doing them at all. That's why we refuse to use portable units to clean your ducts and only use a truck-mounted system. It's the only way to thoroughly clean your ductwork. We're trained and certified in both systems, and that's why we know without a shadow of a doubt that in order to clean your ducts thoroughly, it takes a truck-mounted system in conjunction with a thorough process that has been built upon HVAC and duct cleaning national certifications. Let's take a moment to walk you through our duct cleaning process from start to finish. The day starts with a phone call from the indoor air quality technicians that will be coming to your house, typically 30 minutes before they arrive. 2 technicians will arrive in uniform wearing a name badge and mask throughout the cleaning. They will also put on shoe covers before entering your home. Once they arrive, they will need to park their vehicle in the driveway so that the hoses and other tools can reach your ductwork. Before they begin, they'll take a few minutes to discuss the entire process and go over any questions or concerns you may have. They will then assess the ductwork and come up with a plan while also doing a quick inspection of your furnace. Afterwards, they will have you take them on a tour to every room in the house to locate the supply and return vents. Then the prep work begins, which includes laying down drop cloths and protecting the walls with corner guards, running the vacuum hose from the truck to the main trunk line, gathering the compressor hose, setting up all the tools in the workspace, and sealing off all the registers and vents with grill masks. An 8-inch hole is cut in both the supply and return trunk lines for the vacuum to attach to. 1-inch holes are drilled in each duct run as well. After the access holes are cut, the vacuum is hooked to the trunk line and turned on. I will warn customers that the vacuum is loud and will be running continuously for the next hour or so. We recommend homeowners with pets or family members sensitive to sound to be away from the house. With the vacuum hooked up, it's time to start cleaning. We begin by going to each supply and return vent and used compressed air to clean the vents and blow any debris down into each trunk run. Our objective is to push or pull all the debris in each run towards the vacuum. We clean each individual duct run using a combination of air rods, reverse and forward pushing heads, or the octopus whip. Next, we focus on the trunks themselves to push the debris trapped inside to the vacuum. Along the way, we'll take before and after pictures to make sure that we have gotten the air ducts as clean as possible. Once the ducts are clean, we take the added step in cleaning the air return drop and plenum using the same methods of loosening all the dust and debris and pushing it all towards the vacuum. Our next step is air cleaning the blower compartment and evaporator coil, if the evaporator coil is accessible. The evaporator coil is a common source for bacteria and mold, and the blower wheel is a common place for dust buildup. So we may suggest a deep cleaning for both those areas. And if there is a new air filter available, we'll change your furnace filter as well. If a disinfectant has been requested, we'll spray it into the ductwork at this time. Once everything is cleaned, we'll then take the time to patch up all the holes with plugs and sheet metal. We also sweep the area where we've been working and pack up our tools. As this is being done, the lead technician will go over everything with you and share photos taken throughout the cleaning. What are the next steps? I hope by now you have a better understanding of everything that goes into our duct cleaning process here at Fire and Ice. If you live in Central Ohio and are looking to have your ducts clean, visit our website in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.